See how it's going like this? I call that the toilet bowl. It's when it's trying to get a better signal. Because once it gets a real good signal, it won't do that at all. It's also windy today. It's real windy up there. Let's test this bitch out. Can you even see it anymore? Pictures. Yeah, it's staying alright stable. It's not too bad. Let's bring it back just to make sure I got control. Hear that? We are at 27 meters in the sky. 30, 35. Oh wow, dude, that's awesome. Look at the screen. Now, now check this out. Pretty sure I can zoom. Move the gimbal up. That's already up all the way. That's really cool.
Yeah, I don't even see it now.
That's fucking up there, dude.
Yeah, you cannot see it with the video. Oh, there it is. Got it. Go higher. See what you think higher.
Oh, I know how to go higher. Yeah, if that thing fell, it would be done. We'll go up to 100 meters.
I'm going to stop this video. We're
Okay.
at 4 minutes anyway. You want me to sit it back on this pad? And
Yeah. Yep. Wow, dude, that's so high. Environmental magnetic field interference is too arc. Please pay attention to flight. It's such a small dot in the sky. I'm gonna take it there. That's 100 meters in the sky.
It's crazy high up there.
Yeah, it's about time. That's what I wanted.
That's awesome though. You can see almost everything in this bitch. I wonder if you can see your dad's house.
Well, let me see what angle we're at here. I think I'd have to bring it down some, or the gimbal down, because I'm not sure which one his house is.
I think it's more up this way, ain't it?
I don't know. Let's it'd be over here. Yeah, I don't know. Let me bring it down.
Be honest, how nervous are you anyway right now?
Huh?
How nervous are you anyway?
Oh, really nervous. But not as nervous as I have been the last few times I flew it. A lot less nervous.
That's awesome that you can take aerial view of shit.
I know. That's his house right there?
Right there. Right here. Yeah, that's it. Right there.
Well, go on. It's crazy how stable the camera is, knowing how windy it is up there. It's not gonna be as good of a quality because of the zoom.
It's so cool though.
Yeah.
Shit, you could probably fly it right over his house.
Oh yeah.
This is fucking like Peeping Tom's fucking.
Basically.
Like, how many perverts do you think have drones? They fly at people's windows.
Over top of public pools and shit. Now, I'm pretty sure if I hit return to home, it'll fly back to me, but because of the low satellite, I don't want to test that because it might run into something.
Are you bringing it back now?
I'm just bringing it back down, then I'm going to figure out where I want to go next. Straighten it out because it's not coming my way. There we go. I feel like when it comes back, it's gonna be like all out of breath and shit. Right. It feels like it's so much further than what it is because it looks so small. Trying to get right over by my dad's house. Yeah, dude, like it looks like it's past his house, but it's not even to his house yet. Look, right there's his house.
Right.
It's such a small dot. I just want to get right over top of it. Wow, look how small it is, dude. I can almost not see it.
Yeah, no, you can't barely see it. Drop it down right in front of us. See how close you can get down to look at this.
Well, I don't want to get it out of view. I'm kind of freaking out. That's cool, though. I got a really cool picture of his house. He's going to love that. Okay, where's it at? I can go a little... Oop, that's up. A little further. I can still see it, but barely. Okay, right there. Take the gimbal down. He's gonna love that, dude. Then I'm gonna tell
I
him.
would love it even more if you didn't know we were here and he's outside and you're chasing it with your fucking drone.
And he's butt naked out back.
That'd be hilarious.
That's pretty cool looking, though. All right, where's the dot at? We'll go a little. Oop, that's height. A little bit further over his backyard. Yeah, we're right over his backyard. That's awesome. All right.
That's awesome. Is it bad that I can't help but think of the criminal element of it?
Yeah, me too.
Can't help but think of like, nigga, you could surveillance motherfuckers.
All right, I almost can't see this bitch anymore, dude. I gotta get it back. Can you see it?
Not at all.
I'm just bringing it back and hoping because I can't see it. I'm using only the screen. I hear it.
Oh, so I feel like I can hear it.
I'm up high enough. I know I'm not gonna. There it is.
I see it, yeah.
Cool. I knew I could trust you, little guy.
To make it back home, you little fucker.
Use 60% of the battery. All right, now that we're here, let's
see, do the home, come home, do you?
Well, I'm gonna go up really high. See if I can go up more than 100 meters. How many feet is that? That's 400 feet, I believe.
Yeah.
So we don't want to go up.
300 feet, probably, I think. Isn't that 3 feet in a meter?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I think you're right. That's so cool that you can trust that thing up there, though. You know what I mean?
Right. I feel like if it just was like, just start falling, like it'd be like watching one of your kids fall from the sky.
Yeah, pretty much.
I feel like we'd both take off running.
Like, no! Oh, yeah, and that motherfucker would break an arm if we tried to catch it.
You think it would?
It would hurt. I mean, think about how high that is, man. That's
it's pretty high.
Higher than the Magnum, or about as high.
Fuck yeah. It makes me want to buy one just to drop it and see how big of a hole it makes in the earth. Or we'll just have like a claw on it where I can drop a pebble or something. That'd be cool. That's what we should do when we leave. We should take it over to show your dad the pictures we just took of his house.
See, you could never do this with a non-GPS drone, because the only reason that wind, when it hits it, doesn't throw it off is because it constantly corrects itself based on the GPS. And that's why when I let go, it just stays there. It's so funny, though, because, like, the paranoia you get from flying it and not wanting to hurt it or ruin it makes it to where when you fly it, you're like, okay, I'm done.
Don't you feel like I feel like they should, like, there should be, like, I feel like the design people who made it would have made like the fail safe, or like if it does slam that hard, or
no, it does. Well,
it's durable.
They are. They're made about as good. Okay, so for the price range, they're made as about as good as they can possibly make it to survive a crash for that price range. If you buy a $2,000 Phantom drone, it can take a lot. But just like, I mean, an airplane falls out of the sky, it's fucking done. You know what I mean? Like, they can only do so much, I think.
But the little black box don't ever get harmed.
That's true.
Yeah, I mean, they make that shit out of the black box material. I feel like it's with everything else. I mean, like, even a bicycle will break.
Look, it just started going up all on its own. I'm bringing it back and it's going up.
Boom.
There we go. Let's land it on the concrete road. That way it's not in the grass. And see if it lands well, because I've been having troubles with it landing. Perfect. Sick.